Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the workspace and initiating the first actionable step. Load the updated tool, make a quick backup, and identify the exact via or node you will reverse. This saves time later. Once done, launch the via backwards flow with verbose logging so you can track each operation. Make sure to enable 1/2 second polling and select the correct layer and net. This ensures the process targets the right geometry and records precise state transitions as it runs. You continue by tracing the complex middle steps, iterating through connected vias and marking visited nodes so you never loop back accidentally. Then adjust heuristics, tolerance, step size, and merge thresholds, because those parameters control precision versus speed, and they change results significantly. Once adjusted, use the live preview to validate each path segment and confirm continuity. This visual check prevents hidden shorts. Make sure to lock confirmed segments and commit partial changes frequently. You finish by committing the final edits and running a full validation pass to confirm integrity across the whole net. Export the report for records. If inconsistencies appear, rerun via backwards on isolated segments with debug logging enabled. This narrows fault domains and reveals parameter sensitivity. Make sure to keep a recovery copy and document any parameter tweaks, because reproducibility is essential. One troubleshooting tip: if results differ, reduce tolerance and step size, then reprocess the suspect region to resolve mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.